children. Hello, hello. Today we are going to read a little story about Mooloo the cow. Mooloo is learning something very important today. She's learning how to use the toilet. Are you ready to help Mooloo? Let's begin. Oh, look! Mooloo is sleeping. Wake up, Mooloo! It's toilet time. Look, Mooloo, this is a toilet. No more nappies for you. Let's put the nappy in the bin. There. We and Pooh go in their toilet. Sit on the toilet, do a wee wee. Sit on the toilet, do a poo poo. Look, I see wee in the toilet. I see poo in the toilet. Now flush. Whoosh. Hooray! Bye-bye wee. Bye-bye poo. Don't forget to wipe your potty, Mooloo. Wipe, 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 wipe. Now let's wash our hands. Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash your hands with me. Wash them fast. Wash them slow. Wash your hands with me. Dry your hands. You did it! You are a big kid now. Bye-bye nappies. Hello undies. Let's choose an undie. There, that's better. Uh-oh. What's that, Mooloo? Don't worry, it's only wee and Pooh. Next time, try to do it in the toilet. Remember, wee and Pooh go in the toilet. Now help your mummy to clean up. Clean up, clean up, clean up. Well done. Now I have a very catchy song for this one. Would you like to hear it? Okay. My mummy bought a potty just for me. It is big and cool and shiny, look and see. When you want to wee or poo, number 1 or number 2, no more nappies in the potty it will be. Put your botty on the potty, do a wee. Put your botty on the potty, do a poo. When you want to wee or poo, number 1 or number 2, no more nappies in the potty it will be. Great job, everyone. Mooloo learned how to use the toilet today. Remember, flush, wipe and wash your hands. And sometimes accidents happen, and that's okay. If you want to play this book at home, you can find it on my Etsy page. See you next time for another Kidlet story.